Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today I'll do my same topic, that is multiples and factors. Students, I have already discussed about multiples in my previous video. Today we will do even numbers, odd numbers and factors. So let's start. Firstly, we will do even numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers are multiples of 2. Means numbers that leave no remainder on being divided by 2 are called even numbers. Okay? Means in a short way you can say that even numbers are multiples of 2. Numbers is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place are called even numbers. Okay? Also 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even one digit number. So they are called even digits. For example, 10, 42, 154, 876, etc. These all are even numbers. Why 10 is even number? Because 0 is at the ones place. I have already told you that number is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at ones place are called even numbers. So 10 is the even number. Similarly 42, 2 is at the ones place, so this is the even number, and so on. Okay. Now next is odd number. What are odd numbers? Numbers that are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. Okay. Means number is having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at one's place are called odd numbers. Odd numbers are opposite to even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd one digit number. So they are called odd digits number. So they are called odd digits. So what are even digits? That is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And what are odd digits? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Now for example, 13, 17, 71, 885, etc. These all are odd numbers. Why this is odd? 13 is odd number because it ends with 3. Because here in the ones place here is 3, so this is the odd number. Okay. One more thing, all numbers are either even or odd. Okay. Now let's start our next topic, that is factors. So what are factors? Factors. What are factors? You know that the result of multiplication of numbers is called the product, and the numbers are called factors. All the numbers are called the factors of the product. This is clear with this example. For example, 5 into 6 is equal to 30. We know that 5, 6 are 30. 30 is the multiple. Okay, 30 is the multiple of 5 and 6. So here 5 and 6 are factors of 30. Okay. The result of multiplication of number is called the product. This is the product, or you can say this is the multiple, and the numbers are called factors. Means 5 and 6 are the factors. Similarly, in the same way, 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24. Means here 2, 3, 4 are the factors of 24. Okay. Now the factors of a number divide the number fully. Means without leaving a remainder. Means remainder should be equal to 0. Okay. For the factors, remainder should be equal to 0. Or you can say factor is a number which completely divides the other number. Okay. Now properties of factors. Factors are limited. Number 1, factors are limited. Students, as we have done in the properties of multiples, that multiples never end. But in case of factors are limited. Okay. Now if we find this will clear with this example. Okay. Find all the factors of 20. Now we will see that which other numbers are factor of this 20, means which other number divides the 20 fully, completely. Okay. For example, 1 into 20 is 20. In the table of 2, 22 into 10, 2 tens are 20. In the table of 3, 20 never comes. 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 5 is 20. 5 into 4 is 20. Okay. In the table of 6, 7 and 8 and 9, no, 20 never comes. So 20 ones are 20, 10 twos are 20. So here is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These all are the factors. Okay. All these factors will be written here in the U form. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 are the factors of 20. Okay. And in case of multiples, these are 20. Multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80 and so on. It goes on. Okay. Multiples never ending. So it goes on. So see here, all factors of 20 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So factors are limited, but multiples are never ending. So factors are limited because these are only 6. Okay. Now its second property is that is factors are either equal or less than the given number. Okay. Now as I have discussed in this example, factors are either equal, means see, factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 20 is the factor of 20. Okay. Or less than the given number, means these all numbers are less than the 20. Okay. And next property is 1 is a factor of every number. For example, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. So here 1 is the factor of every number. Okay. My next property is a number is a factor of itself. Means for example, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Means this 5 has a factor of this 5. So a number is a factor of itself. Okay. Now let's start with some sums. Okay. Proceeding this by question number 6, B part, page number 35, exercise 5A. Okay. Here you have given, is the first number a factor of the second number? Here you have given first number is 8 and other number is 135. Okay. So 135. Now what will we do? Can we say that this is a divisible by this? Now what will you do? Now we will divide and check 135 is completely divided by 8 or not. Okay. So we will divide 135 by 8. Here 8 ones are 8. Now subtract 13 minus 8, that is 5. Now put down 5. Okay. Now what is 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48 and 8 7s are 56. So we will take 8 6s are 48. Now subtract this 5 minus 8, which is not possible. We will take borrow from this 5. This will become 4 and this will become 15. 15 minus 8, that is 7. So now this is quotient and this is remainder. As I told you above that if for the factor, remainder should be 0. Okay. So here we can say here remainder is not 0. I am writing remainder as R. Okay. R means remainder. Now remainder is not 0. It is not, because it is not completely divisible. So my remainder is other than 0. So 8 is not a factor of 135. Okay, understood? If remainder is 0, then that number is divisible by this number. Okay, now here remainder is not 0. Here remainder is 7. So this number is not, so 8 is not divisible by 135. Okay, let's move to the question number next. Here you have given, tick the factors of 24 among the following. You will have to tell about that is these numbers are the factors of 24. So let's check. Let's check for 2. Okay, now this is even number and 24 is also even number. So the 2 is the factor of 24. So we will tick this. Now next number is 3. So in the table of 3 8s are 24. So 3 is the factor of 24. Now in the number of 4 6 are 24. This is also the factor of 24. Now next is 5. We know 5 in the table of 5 24 never comes. Okay, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So I will cross it. Now in the number of 6 6 4s are 24. So I will put tick. Now next number is 8 8 3s are 24. So this is the factor of 24. Now next number is 10 10 2s are 20 10 3s are 30. So 10 is not the factor of 24. Next number is 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 12 is the factor of 24. Now the last number is 16. 16 is a factor of 24? No. This is not the factor of 24. We know the table of 16. 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 16 is not a factor of 24. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. That is, write 3 factors of 36 other than 1 and the number itself. Now we have to check in which table 36 will come. Okay, now we know that 36 is the even number. 2 is also even number. So 2 is the factor of 36. Okay, 2 is the factor of 36. Next number is or you can say 4 9s are 36. We know the tables now. 4 9s are 36. So 2 4 9. Okay. Next one more, that is 12 into 3. 12 3s are 36. Okay. So 12 and 3 are also the factors of this. So we have these all are factors of 36. Okay. Here you will have to write 3 factors, but we have find 5 factors. Okay, other than 1 and the number itself. We know that 1 is a factor of every number, so we can't write this 1 or 36. Okay, now we will do more sums in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.